Next one.
Good night, Shabir. Thank you.
Look after yourself, Betty,
And
and unbrainwash yourself again.
don't be insulting,
Look after
Shabir.
yourself,
Do
mate.
not insult.
No,
Do not
I
insult.
would not do that.
That's
I would not do
offensive
that.
because you're-
What is more
But if you
offensive
say
is
I'm
where you don't allow
brainwashed-
me to finish.
If you say I'm brainwashed,
No,
then
that's
you're
just
saying
an
that I'm
opinion which is
stupid.
wrong. No,
Yeah,
you are an
exactly.
English teacher.
I'm
somebody
sorry.
who's-
You are an
Not
English-
anymore, not anymore.
You used to
But
be
I
an
used
English
to be,
teacher,
Not anymore.
and you are saying that if somebody
Yes,
innocently
it is.
says you are
As an English-
brainwashed, it's
yes,
offensive.
That is offensive.
offensive.
Deeply offensive.
No, you are
Because it
misinterpreting
means
the
you're
Bible and you are
saying-
misinterpreting
no, it's because
language.
you're saying- No, because it means you're saying that I haven't used my brain.
Now you're
Is that what you
insulting.
think?
That's what brainwash
No, no, no.
is. Brainwash means people are not thinking, and it means that they are not. They are not making decisions.
Okay, Betty.
I am a Christian, and
Betty.
I've rejected Islam
Betty,
because
Betty,
I've used my mind.
Betty, respectfully,
So,
if
don't
that is
call
how
me
you took it,
brainwashed,
if that is how you
okay?
took it, I take it back.
Thank
If-
you.
But the way I took it, I mean it. You are brainwashed.
I was running through the mess shit in my thoughts.